Hello everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how to add the counting bot to your Discord server. If you find this video interesting, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump straight into Discord. First open the server where you want to add the bot. In the top left corner, click on the server name. And the menu will pop up. From there, click on App Directory. Next, in the top right search bar, type counting and press enter. Click on the first result. This is the best one. And as you can see, it's already being used by 900,000 server. Click on End Up and make sure you are adding it to the correct server. Then click Continue. Check the Authorize box and confirm that you are not a robot. Now the bot is successfully added to your server. To test it, simple type C !channel. And as you can see, the bot responds immediately. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.